Wade Digital, AI for real people. Here's Mike with what the team's been building.
Hey, it's Mike. I wanted to give a quick video of kind of what we've been up to lately because we've been flying. We now have fully operational SMS messaging systems. So instead of having to worry about which app or that you want to use, basically you're just going to use text or phone. So one number picks up. We have speech to text technology, open source right here, running on Codero, burning off the mini right now. Custom voicemail messages ID'd by number. So all of your clients, your staff, and your vendors are going to be ID'd when they call in. We can actually use two-factor authentication to facilitate that at some point. But right now, the use case is that you leave a voicemail on the system, which is then transcribed either using Twilio's ML or whatever provider you want, local models, etc. And then the assistant flow is getting looped in there, and all of the regular kind of stuff can happen. So basically you have multimodal functionality. You have the ability to text with the agent, send pictures and video. I'm not really sure, rich text capabilities of, leaving a voice memo or some of the more advanced like Apple iOS features and stuff like that. But for right now, we're targeting basically SMS and audio in and out, tied into a CRM. All the project management stuff gets looped in there. So we took a look at a friend's construction management application the other day. He's paying $1,200 a month right now for access to this system, which basically has a completely open API. I was able to have Claude Code Agent basically build a wrapper, CLI wrapper for the entire API in about, lickety split. And then we were able to pull his data out and start running analyzation on it. Basically, what our three-phase project build out looks like right now is that we go in and we do the intel first. We suck in all the data that the client has made available, and we basically build a model of their company, starting with a run book of operations. Once that's been validated, we can start focusing on the major pain points. Like, we already have a pretty good idea going in with the initial interview where the pain point is at. But basically, once we have that, we can go to town. So for the construction portion of the industry, the construction use case specifically, we're talking about a system where you have a phone number or a website, and we'll talk about making your website bot friendly on another video. But for right now, we're trying to make them user friendly, and the most easiest thing to do is just talk. So you get a voicemail, you get a generic response if you're a first time caller. You leave a message about what it is that you want, and then as soon as that message is left, you've opted in to getting an SMS text from the agent, who's then going to basically coordinate with you on whatever it is that you guys are trying to do. And so, that basic flow will then tie into your employees. They can check in. I guess we could add location services to the list of things as well, but geotagging pictures, basically proof that something happened, which is going to become very important in the world that we're moving into, especially as like deep fakes are concerned as well. But that's a whole nother subject as well. Like I said, what we're trying to do is we're trying to set up a scalable system where we can deploy virtual assistants into any company, any organization, using these workflows, using these tools. And I think we've got 3 of our beta clients right now out of the 5 that we want to move forward with. And I'm kind of at the point right now that I'm being very aggressive with all of this, as you can probably imagine. So if I talk to you or you want to talk to me, if I meet you in person, I'll probably be unable to talk about this stuff as well. But if you're seeing this through the web, or if we haven't connected in a long time, you can just use the form here on the website to drop your contact information while we get our own phone tree system set up and virtual agents available. But I also want to say you can hopefully point Wade Digital or this video to your AI assistant, and it can get the information that it needs to get started on that. And so I think what we're going to be doing also as we rebuild out our human-facing websites is to kind of design bot-friendly APIs that they can find just by crawling the website or something like that. So there's a lot of people. I saw some jokes about Cloudflare, putting all this stuff in place to prevent bots from crawling websites for training information. But now we're kind of in the place where we want the bots on our websites because the bots are the customers as well. So, talk about search engine optimization. We're talking about bot engine optimization. Yeah, so we're pretty busy. We're having a lot of fun with everything we're doing right now. It's just flying. And yeah, we want to help as much as we can with everyone that we meet. So more than happy to contribute however we can. Yeah, Mike Wade, Wade Digital, AI for real people, interactive intelligence.
That's Wade Digital. Find us at wade.digital or just point your AI our way. We'll take it from there.